Hi everyone! If you have been thinking about starting your own shop on Depop, or if you're new to Depop and you're looking for some guidance on packaging and shipping orders, then I'm going to walk you through my process for packaging and shipping orders on Depop, and hopefully from that you'll see that it's not as daunting of a task as it can seem at first. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the shipping supplies that you'll need, how I package an order for shipping, how to create a shipping label from home and how to save money doing that, and a quick little life hack that I learned that makes this whole process super easy, especially if you don't feel like going to the post office every time. So before we even get started on all that, the very first step in this process is choosing your preferred shipping option when you're listing an item. So if you scroll to the bottom and click domestic, you can choose between Depop shipping or your own shipping. Depop shipping is an easy option where they basically take care of everything for you, but the downside to that is that you end up paying a bit more for shipping than you really need to. I always choose to do my own shipping. If you go to the tab on the right, you can choose either free shipping or set your own shipping price. I'm going to show you exactly how I save money by creating my own shipping label and setting the shipping prices myself. So now we're going to get into the shipping supplies that you need to get started. The first thing you'll need is something to mail your items in. So either boxes or mailers. Personally, I would recommend mailers because they're a lot more lightweight, so they're cheaper to ship. One option is to use recycled packaging. So for example, if you order something on Amazon, you could repurpose the package that your order comes in and use it for your Depop shop. Recycled packaging is a great option if you don't want to buy your own pack of mailers. However, it probably takes up a bit of room if you're kind of just like collecting packages. Another option, which is what I do, is buy a pack of mailers in bulk. I bought a 50 pack of compostable mailers about a year ago and I still have a lot left. This option is really convenient if you don't have a ton of space to keep your shipping supplies around, because these poly mailers are really compact and you don't have to scramble to find packaging every time you sell something. The next thing you'll need is a shipping scale. You definitely need this if you want to create your own shipping labels at home. You'll also need some packing tape. I use some paper packing tape as a recyclable option, but you could also use some clear plastic packing tape. As long as you use packing tape and not Scotch tape, then you're good. Some extra stuff I use is a pack of stickers. I like to include this as a little goodie for every order that I get. I also use some tissue paper to wrap the clothes in, and I use some scrap paper to write a little thank you note for every order. So this is the item that I sold today. I always start by checking to make sure that there's no dust or hair or too many wrinkles in the clothing, and I'll lint roll it or iron it if it's not looking too good. And once I'm sure that it's looking as fresh as can be, then I will just fold it up nice and neat. Something I love to do to make the package feel a bit more personal is write a cute little thank you note for the buyer. Usually I'll include their name in it and quickly say, thanks for buying from my shop and I hope you love your new items. I feel like this gives it more of like a gift to a friend type of vibe, which is exactly the vibe that I want for my shop. Then I choose a few stickers and I place it on the folded item, and then I'll put the thank you note on top of that, and then I wrap it up in tissue paper. Then I'll close it up with a little piece of tape and I will put a sticker on top. I usually just use stickers that I have lying around. If you hoard stickers like me, Depop is the perfect way to get rid of a lot of them without feeling the need to buy cute little things for your packaging. So now for the actual shipping part, I'm going to show you this website called Pirate Ship that I use. The shipping rates are so much lower than the Depop shipping, and it's so easy to make your own shipping labels on their platform. So when you log in, go to the left side of the screen, click ship, and click single to create a label. The first thing you'll fill out is the address you're shipping the package to. If you go to the Depop Selling Hub on your computer, you can click the copy address button and then go over to Pirate Ship and click paste address, and boom, everything's filled out. Next, you'll fill in your information, just your name and address, and then you'll choose which packaging you used. Then you'll enter the package dimensions and then the package weight. Here's where your shipping scale comes in handy. Make sure that the units are in ounces and place your package on it, and then enter the number into Pirate Ship. and then you click Get Rates at the bottom. From there, you can click this little drop-down menu to see all the different pricing options, and usually the USPS options are the cheapest. And then you will choose the shipping date. In my case, I'm shipping it out first thing tomorrow, and then I click Buy Label. And from there, you can just print out your label just with a normal printer, and then I will just cut out around the label, and then I'll tape it on the package. Now here is that life hack I was talking about. If you go to the USPS website, you can go to Quick Tools and click Schedule a Pickup. If you choose this option, then they'll just come and pick up your package when they come to drop off your mail, so you don't even have to leave the house to go to the post office. This is super convenient, and it allows you to have really quick shipping, which is really good for your ratings on Depop. So the first thing that you enter is your address and your name, just to see if your building is eligible for this service. Next, you will click where you leave your package. I always leave it in the mailbox. And then you would click Pick Up during regular mail delivery, which is completely free. And that is just when they pick it up the very next day. So then you click Schedule a Pickup, and then you'll get a confirmation email. And all you have to do now is leave your package in your mailbox, and it's all taken care of. And if that option isn't available to you, then you're just gonna go over to the post office and drop your parcel in one of the little slots. I'll show a little picture right here, just because the first time I went, I really didn't know what to expect. I hope you found this video helpful, and good luck with your whole Depop journey. I hope it goes really well for you, and I hope you're able to clean out your closet the way you're hoping to.